Where to find the best sites. Dogs and puppies. Hi. You want more information about how to buy a DNA test to find out if a dog is part coyote? These are the best resources we could find on the web. The most helpful site to learn about how to buy a DNA test to find out if a dog is part coyote is www.dailymail.co.uk. Specifically the page titled How a Healthy Lifestyle Can Reverse the Aging Process. Here's the link. Try also our second-ranked site morgellonsdiccawareness.com, especially the page Morgellons Disease Awareness, Morgellons Sufferer, Isla. Here's the link. Last but not least, try our third-ranked site www.huffingtonpost.com. The web page How to Rid Your Body of Mercury and Other Heavy Metals, A. This is the link.